Hello everyone! In this video we are going to present two ways in which a spaghetti can be prepared. The first one with ground meat and tomato paste, and the second one with different types of cheese. In addition, to accompany the dish we will prepare strawberry juice.
The principal ingredient is a package of spaghetti. Also, we are going to use different types of cheese, mozzarella and cheddar, cream of cheese, milk, raw beef, tomato paste, oil, and water, salt, pepper and cumin, and onions and strawberry. Come on. Continue to preparation. Put water and the spaghetti in the boil and cook for 5 minutes. We add a little salt. While waiting for the spaghetti to cook, we will fry for the butter beef. We add salt, little of salt, little pepper, a little cumin, and milk. For the beef preparations, we add tomato paste in the beef. After cooking the pasta, we proceeded to drain it. Finally, for the fish preparation, we will add the spaghetti to the mixture.
For the second preparation, we repeat the process with some of milk and the different type of cheese. I'm washing the strawberries to prepare the juice. For the juice, we add the strawberries in the blender. And a glass of milk. This is the final
recipe.